Hello traders, it's Mark here from the daytradingroom.com. I wanted to announce that I will be doing a webinar for traders on Wednesday the 16th of March at 4:15 Eastern Time. That's 15 minutes after the US stock market closes. Be aware that the clocks go forward in the US on Sunday the 13th, Sunday the 13th. They don't in the UK, so that might be a different time depending on which country you're in. But it'll be 15 minutes after the US market closes, so work that back to whatever time frame you're in. But be aware of the daylight saving changes. Yeah, it's going to be a very informal thing. I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the trade setups that I use. Um, for various types of markets, for range bound market, trend market, explosive type of market, that sort of thing. Talk about preparation, professional trader preparation, what you need to do before the day, before the week, before you take a trade. Just general things really that may help you. Well, some of the things that I do that maybe you can take a few ideas from. I'm going to talk about setting stops, only because it's quite pertinent with the recent volatility on oil, and the switch between the Dow and the oil markets, the different ranges and the volatility. I'm going to talk a little bit about setting the stops. Psychology, touch a little bit on that. I'm going to talk about preparing yourself for loss, preparing yourself for success, obviously, very important. Emotions, what sort of emotions we can expect and how to manage the emotions, and really just general trader psychology. I will talk a little bit about tape reading, just a general overview really of what I'm looking for on the order book and on the tape, and how I combine the two. From that, nothing too specific because that's really a very long topic in itself, but I'll just touch on it a little bit. We'll talk a little bit about the market, what's happened on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, what we can perhaps expect going into the next into the later half of the week, what setups have been working, just a general chat. Then I'll do a Q&A. It'll be on the GoToWebinar software, so you can fire your questions at me, you can have a chat with each other, and happy to answer any questions about trading, about my videos, about the blog, about the market, whatever you may want to ask, or if you want to ask other traders stuff, fine. It's going to be a bit of fun. I hope you can come and join us. Please email me if you'd like to come. My email address is mark@thedaytradingroom.com. It's on the bottom right of the screen there. Then I will add you to the list and send you out a link to the webinar. But it's going to be on Wednesday the 16th of March, 15 minutes after the US market closes, and those are some of the things we're going to talk about. Very informal, but if you can come, I really would look forward to seeing you there. Please email me if you do want to come. Thanks.